Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through some dock maintenance on the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first up on the dock, you can wipe down the top of the surfaces and things like that every once in a while as dust or dirt accumulates. Inside, you'll want to make sure that every once in a while you're also cleaning and washing the clean water tank and the dirty water tank. And you can check on this float mechanism right there for any buildup or things like that. So that's the clean water tank. You'll want to do the same thing with the dirty water tank. Let that air out and dry out. Make sure you're emptying that pretty frequently to keep any odors and smells at bay. Same thing with the float if you want to keep an eye on that too for any debris or buildup. Then moving further down, we have our vacuum bag. So you can empty that periodically, wipe down, dust off in here as needed. Super simple too to swap vacuum bags once it's full. And then moving further down on the bottom of the unit right here, just wipe off those charging contacts every once in a while, especially if you see any debris in there. And then the rest of the maintenance will really come from the inside here of the unit. We do have a removable tray with our roller that you'll want to wash and rinse off frequently. Any hair buildup, you know, household debris, things like that. You'll see maybe some grass clippings, pet hair, things like that down in here. Just make sure that you're rinsing this, washing and drying it. And then for everything else in here, you'll notice that it doesn't really give you an easy way to remove, to clean. So if you have any other buildup in here, you will just have to wipe it down. Get like a Clorox wipe or something along those lines for any other residue or debris that's built up on your station. But overall, very simple and straightforward to take care of this.